If your VLC player keeps showing a just crashed error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes step by step so you can get VLC working again. This is one of the most common issues people run into when VLC refuses to open files, freezes, or crashes right after launch. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without uninstalling everything or losing your settings. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, completely close VLC Media Player. If it is frozen or stuck on your screen, make sure it is fully closed and not still running in the background. On Windows, you can also check the taskbar or use Task Manager if needed, just to be sure VLC is not still active. Once VLC is closed, the next thing to do is refresh your computer. In simple terms, restart your PC or laptop so that any temporary system glitches, memory issues, or background conflicts get cleared out. A quick restart solves a lot of software problems, and VLC is no exception. After your computer finishes restarting, open VLC again and test it with a video or audio file. Try a file that normally works or the file that was causing the problem. If VLC opens properly and plays media normally, then the issue may have been temporary, but if VLC still crashes or refuses to play, we'll move on to the next fix. Now open VLC and click Help, then choose Check for Updates. This is important because sometimes the crash happens because you're using an older version of VLC that has a bug or compatibility issue. If an update is available, install it right away. Let the update finish completely, then restart VLC and test your media again. Keeping VLC updated is one of the easiest ways to fix random crashing problems and improve performance. If VLC is still not working properly, the next step is to reset its preferences. Open VLC, then click Tools and go to Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the option to Reset Preferences. Click it, confirm the reset, and then restart VLC. Resetting preferences brings VLC back to its default configuration, which can fix broken settings, corrupted options, or changes that may have caused the crash in the first place. This step is especially useful if VLC was working before and suddenly started having problems after a settings change. Once VLC restarts, try playing your media again. If everything works now, great, but if media still does not play, there is one more setting we should adjust. Go back into VLC, click Tools, then Preferences, and find the Input last Codec section. In that area, look for Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Change that setting to Disable. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause crashes on certain computers, especially if your graphics drivers are outdated or incompatible with VLC's playback system. After changing it, click Save and restart VLC again. Now test the same file one more time. In many cases, disabling hardware accelerated decoding fixes the just crashed error and gets playback working normally again. If you've made it this far, you've already gone through the most effective fixes. Restarting your PC, updating VLC, resetting preferences, and turning off hardware decoding. Those steps solve most VLC crash issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If VLC still crashes after all of that, the next thing to consider would be checking your media file, reinstalling VLC, or updating your graphics drivers. But for most users, the steps in this video will be enough to fix the problem fast. I hope this helped you get VLC running smoothly again. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.